नमस्कारो कोंकणी शिकतल्यांका लर्न कोंकणी तर्फेन स्वागत. आजी आमी सुरू केल्लें कोंकणी उतरावळी वॉकॅब्युलरी हातूंत पयले भागू द किचन हातूंत आमी रांदचकुडी बदल आनी थंय आमी उपयोग करचे सामानू ते शब्दाचे अर्थ आनी उच्चारा बदल आयकुया. The word in Konkani for kitchen is ranchkudi. This comes from ranche is to cook or cooking. Ranche cooking. Kudi is a room. Devakudi, Ranchkudi, different rooms in the house. Randapa is a cooked dish. Randapa is a dish. Rannani is a cooking stove. So root word ranche is cooking. Randapa is a dish. Rannani is a cooking stove. And Ranchkudi is kitchen. Alternatively, kitchen is also called Vasari. This is a Prakrit word, Rasavati, which is altered and adapted to Konkani as Vasari. So kitchen is Ranchkudi or Vasari. The utensils used in kitchen broadly called aidana. Please pay attention to the pronunciation. Aidana is a singular. Aidana. Aidana is plural. There are two types of a pronounced in Konkani. This is a very good example to learn this difference. A short a at the end of the word aidana is a singular. A long a aidana with nasalization is a plural. I repeat, aidana, aidana. Here are some examples of words. Where possible, I will also give the plurals. Spoon, chamcha, chamcha. Spoons, chamche, chamcha, chamche. Knife is called chaku, suri or pescati. Knife, chaku, suri or pescati. In Konkani kitchen, we have a vegetable cutter combined with a grater, mainly used for coconut. It's called adoli. Adoli is a metal extension attached to a wooden platform. Adoli is a grater or vegetable cutter. Chimta, the gripper, chimta, plural, chimte, chimta or chimte. Dai is a stirring spoon. Dai. Dawlo is a ladle. Topu is a cooking pot with a edge. Topu. Kaili is a pan, frying pan. Kaili. Madki or budkulo is a cooking vessel. I repeat in Konkani, chamcha. Pescati nave chaku, nave suri, addoli, chimto, dai, dovlo, topu, kaili, budkulo, madki. Next, Konkani people cook fried, pan-fried objects in many forms. One of them is called appe, and the pan which has molds to cook appe is called appe kaili. Appe kaili. Bottle is batli or kuppi. Bottle, batli or kuppi. A box, peti or peli. A box for storage of food, peti or a peli. A lid or a cap is called dhankne. Dhankne is a lid or a cap. A large vessel used to boil water is called bhana. Cauldron, bhana. A large vessel used to boil water. Cauldron is a bhana. A drum used for storing water. Pimpa. Pimpa is a drum. A flat plate is called mandi or poleru. Mandi or poleru. A flat plate, mandi or poleru. A griddle pan is called kaili, kailana. A griddle, kaili or kailana. We continue. A rolling pin is lattoni. Rolling pin is lattoni. A platform on which you roll the dough is called latpale. Latpale is a pad or a platform on which you roll the dough. So latpale, lattuni. A sieve is called galne. Sieve is called galne. Sieving is galche. Sieve is called galne. Scissors, katri. Scissors, katri. Nutcracker is called adkatri. A scissor is a katri. Nutcracker is a adkatri. A sickle, koiti. Koito. Sickle, koiti. Spatula, kailato. Spatula is kailato. Repeat, kailato. Matchbox, ujja peti. Ujja is fire. Peti is a box. A matchbox is called ujja peti. A large vessel to cook rice called tappila. A pot to boil rice is called tappila. A rice server is a shita dai. Rice server is a shita dai. Shita is cooked rice. Shita dai is a rice server. Again, currando, a box. Currando or a dabbo is a box for storage. A ceramic jar is called bharani. A ceramic jar is called bharani. A cup for drinking called palo or loto. A cup for drinking is called a palo or loto. A wooden board used either for chopping or to sit down called manai. Manai is a wooden platform or a board used to sit down on the floor or chopping called manai. A water jug called tambio. A water jug called tambiyo. A large water pot, koloso. Koloso. A kitchen rag or a kitchen towel is called bhanashire. Bhanashire. I repeat Konkani words. Karando, dabbo, bharani, palo, manai, tambiyo, koloso, bhanashire. Moving on. Gulma tea. Gulmo is a large bronze copper vessel. Gulma tea is a small vessel. Gulma tea. A cup is called kappa. A cup is a borrowed word, usually pronounced kappa. A saucer is a bashi. A kappa bashi, saucer and cup. Tata again is a borrowed word, is a plate. It's also called vati or a tata. A plate is called plata, vati or tata. A large plate is called a polera. A large plate is called polera. A bowl is gindala. A bowl is gindala. A pot used for steaming or stewing is called pedavana. Pedavana is a large stewing vessel or a steaming vessel. I repeat the Konkani words. Gulmati, kappa, bashi, tata, vati, poleru, gindala, pedavana. Tea is called cha. Tea is called cha. Tea powder. Cha pallo. Pallo is leaves. So dry tea powder is dried tea leaves. Cha pallo. Sugar is sakkara. Milk is duda. Cha, cha pallo, sakkara, duda. A herbal drink is called kashayu. Coffee is called either coffee or kapi. A sweetened drink is called sharbata. Sweetened drink is called sharbata. I repeat, cha, cha pallo, sakkara, duda, kashayu, kafi, sharbata. We look at some ingredients in cooking. Kando, onions. Kando, potato, potatoes. Losuni, garlic. Mirsangi, chili. Jeera, kottambari. Alle, the spices. Cumin, coriander, ginger. Jeera, kottambari, alle. Pitto is powder. Any powder is called pitto. For example, jeera pitto is jeera powder, cumin powder. Miryakana, peppercorn. Miryakana is peppercorn. Meeta is salt. Meeta is salt. Please pay attention. In many northern Indian languages, meeta is sweet. In Konkani, meeta is salt. I repeat the words in Konkani. Kando, potato, losuni, mirsanga, jeera, kottambari, alle, miryakana, meeta. For powder, it is pitto. Rice is tandulu. Rice is tandulu. Cooked rice is sheeta. Cooked rice is sheeta. Rice porridge is paja. Rice porridge is paja. Wheat is gaon. Wheat is gaon. The flat bread make from wheat is chapati or roti. Chapati or roti. Batter is pita. For example, pancake batter is polin pita. Pita is batter. Pancake batter is polin pita. Rava is coarse or ground. For example, tandla rava is ground rice. Gawa rava is ground wheat. Pola is pancake. I repeat in Konkani. Tandulu, Shita, Paja, Gaon, Chapati, Roti, Polapita, Rava, Polo. The cooking process involves frying, deep frying called talche, talapa, deep frying, talche or talapa. Boiling, shijoche, shijoche is to boil. Shallow fry or pan fry is bhacche. Bhacche is pan fry or shallow fry. To bring it to boil called gajgaja. Gajgaja is boiling. Huna hot. Thanda cold. Bechaka is lukewarm. Huna hot. Thanda cold. Bechaka lukewarm. Kapche is to cut or slice. Kislache is to grate. The grater is called kisli. Kislache is to grate. Kapche is to cut or slice. Kislache is to grate. I repeat. Talche, shijoche, bhache, gajgajo, huna, thanda, bechaka, kapche, kislache. Next, about frying. Tela is oil. Tela is oil. Tupa is ghee or clarified butter. Tupa, ghee or clarified butter. Loni is butter. Loni is butter. Dhanya, dhanya, yogurt. Dhanya. Oil, if it's specifically derived from a substance. Shenga tela, peanut oil. Narlel tela, coconut oil. I repeat, narlel tela, narlu is coconut. Narlel tela, coconut oil. Shenga is peanut. Shenga tela, peanut oil. Panna is tempering. Panna is tempering with oil or ghee. Panna daulo is the utensil we use for tempering. So I repeat, tela, tupa, loni, dhanya, narlel tela, shenga tela, panna, panna daulo. Moving on, tanika is breakfast or a drink. Tanika, breakfast or a drink. Javana is a lunch or dinner. Javana, lunch or dinner. Kauchaka is to eat. Kauchaka is to eat. Piuchaka is to drink. Piuchaka is to drink. Kalochaka is the curry you mix with rice. Kaloche is to mix. Kalochaka. Tonda lauchaka is a special Konkani word. We use a chutney or a pickle or papadam. Chutney is called chutney. It's a borrowed word from Indian language into English. Nonche is pickle. Nonche, pickle. Happolu is papadam. Happolu is papadam. I repeat, tanika, javana, खावचाक, पिवचाक, कालोचाक, तोंड लावचाक, नोणचे, हपोळू. Many Konkani households use fish in cooking. Fish is called mashtli, jhalake or nuste. The regional variation mashtli, jhalake, nuste. Bangde is mackerel. Bangdo is singular. Bangde is plural. Mackerel. Tarlo, tarle, sardines. Belenji is silverfish. Iswana, kingfish. Papleta, pomfret. Sungta, prawns. Sungata, singular. Sungta, prawns. Mori is shark. I repeat. Mashli, jhalake, nuste. Three different words for regional accent. Bangde, tarle, belanji, iswana, papleta, sungta, and mori. We will try and use some of these words in sentences. I am doing the dishes. How? Aidan ghasta. I am doing the dishes. Is how? Aidan ghasta. I am kneading the dough. How? Pita. Kalaita. Dough is pita, like batter. Kneading is kalaita, mix. I am kneading the dough. How? Pit kalaita. Chop the onion. Kando. Kochai. Kocholo is the chopped onion. So kando kochai. Chop the onion. Slice the onion in a circular shape. Kando. Chakra kornu kochai. Chakra kara is slice into circular. Saute the onions. Kando bhaja. Saute the onions. Kando bhaja. The vegetable is cooked. Vegetable is tarkari. Cooked is shijoche. In the past tense is shijle. So the vegetable is cooked is tarkari, shijli or shijle. It is not cooked yet. Te shijile na. Na is negative. Shijile is cooked. It is not cooked yet. Te shijilna. How chapati latta is I am rolling chapatis. I am baking chapatis is how chapati bhajta. Bhajche is to fry or bake. So how chapati latta, how chapati bhajta. I am frying puris. How puri bhajta. Warm up the milk. Duda hoon kara. Hoona is hot. Duda hoon kara. Let it cool down. Te that. Thand jao. Thanda is cold. Thand jao. Let it become cold. Turn down the heat. Ujjo san kara. Ujjo is fire. We use that in Konkani for heat. Turn down the heat. Ujjo san kara. Turn up the heat. Ujjo hod kara. Reduce the heat to medium. Ujjo madhe kara in the middle or madhyama is medium. Milk has turned sour. We either say the white jala, milk is spoiled. The pudla, the milk has split. Or sourness is called amshe, the amshala. So milk has turned sour. You can say the white jala is spoiled. The pudla is split. Or amshala is become sour. Pick over the rice. Tandulu vinchka. This is to segregate any impurities in the rice. Tandulu vinchka. Pick over the rice. Grate the carrots. Carrot. Kislaka. Kisali is greater. Kislache. grating. Curry is too salt. Ambata मिरचे झाल्या or आमटाक मीठ जास्ती झाल्या. आमटाक मीठ जास्ती झाल्या. It is very spicy. मस्त तीख झाल्या. तिखसाणी is spice or hot. तीख झाल्या is spicy. Strain the tea. चा गाळका. गाळोचे is to strain. गाळणे is a strainer. चा गाळोका strain the tea. Remove the pan from heat. Aidana ujjavailana kada. Remove the pan from heat. Put a little more salt in. Ani thode meat ghala. Ghala is to put more salt. Thode meat ghala. Cut the tomatoes in half. Tomato arda kornu kapka. Tomato arda kornu kapka. So you need to practice these sentences in Konkani. I hope you liked the collection of kitchen related vocabulary. Konkani Shaktalanka. Dhanyavadu. Amyani Mala. If you liked our channel, please share this channel information and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.